There is a glow behind the eyes, a quiet, steady flame. It watches thought and feeling pass, yet never shifts its aim. A meeting point of worlds unseen, and all the eyes can know, where outer sight grows still and soft, and deeper vision grows. In the light within the head, awareness gently wakes, a knowing older than all time, that nothing here can break. When surface noise begins to fade and truth comes into view, the soul remembers where it comes from and what it always knew. This center turns the gaze within, away from pull and chase, from craving, fear, and restless need that wants to find the pace. It draws the scattered rays as one, aligns the mind and heart, and opens doors to higher realms, where wisdom takes its part. In the light within the head, awareness gently wakes, a knowing older than all time, that nothing here can break. When surface noise begins to fade and truth comes into view, the soul remembers where it comes from and what it always knew. Beyond the veil of form and name, a presence quietly stays. The ones who walk this path before still guide through inner rays, not bound by birth or passing years. They shine in subtle sight as beacons for the waking soul, returning to the light. Through inner sight, the path unfolds in moments clear and bright. The finite meets the infinite in calm awakened light. This seeing brings both peace peace and truth, and roots us where we stand, born of a source that never fades, yet lives within